Your brain on a touchdown is clinically identical to a cocaine rush. So why does the same moment make others flee? Two people, same room, same game. One screams with joy, the other quietly walks away. Why? Welcome? Today we explore the beautiful science hiding inside your own unique brain. This is not about right or wrong. This is about understanding the wiring that makes you, you. Science has answers. Let us discover them together right now. Imagine Super Bowl Sunday. Millions gathered. Every touchdown sends shockwaves through entire neighborhoods. The energy is electric. Strangers become family for one single night. But in another room, someone quietly closes the door. The noise feels like too much. They are not antisocial. Their brain simply speaks a different language. One brain hears music. The other brain hears noise. Both are listening to the exact same sound. This gap is not a personality flaw. It is pure neuroscience, and once you understand it, you will never judge another person the same way again. The key player is dopamine, your brain's internal reward chemical and motivation engine. When a sports fan sees a winning touchdown, their brain releases a massive dopamine storm. It feels identical to achieving a major life goal. The brain cannot tell the difference. That euphoria is real. That joy is biological. It is not shallow. It is deeply human. But for the quiet person, the same environment triggers a completely different chemical response. Their brain is not broken. It is simply calibrated to a different sensitivity level. High stimulation floods their system before it becomes pleasurable. The threshold is different. Think of it like a speaker. Some brains love the volume maxed out. Others prefer a gentle tune. Researcher Elaine Aron identified this as the highly sensitive person trait, affecting 20% of us. 20% of the human population processes sensory information at extraordinary depth. Their nervous system is like a high-definition camera. Every detail is captured and processed. MRI scans reveal intense brain activation in HSPs when exposed to loud crowds and bright lights. They are not being dramatic. They are experiencing a genuinely different neurological reality. What feels exciting to one nervous system feels genuinely overwhelming to another, like a phone running too many apps at once. Their system slows to prevent total shutdown. Silence is not laziness. For them, silence is the recharge that makes everything possible again. Sports also trigger our ancient tribal brain. Cheering together releases powerful oxytocin. Oxytocin is the bonding hormone. It creates the feeling of belonging to something larger than yourself. That is why strangers high-five and hug after a goal. Biology is doing the connecting. This tribal bonding is ancient and powerful. It kept our ancestors alive for thousands of years. But quiet people are not unloving. They simply bond through different channels. They find belonging in deep conversations, nature walks, shared art, and quiet understanding. Their connection is equally real, simply built at a different frequency. Here is what no one tells you. The indifferent face often hides the most active inner world. Quiet observation is a superpower. HSPs notice details others walk past every single day. Scientists, artists, therapists, and writers often score high on the HSP scale. Their sensitivity is not a weakness. It is the engine behind some of humanity's greatest contributions. And the passionate fan? Their enthusiasm is contagious energy that moves societies forward. Both personalities are essential. Nature designed variety intentionally for human survival. A world of only loud voices becomes chaos. A world of only silence becomes stagnation. Takeaway 1. If you are the loud fan, your joy is valid and beautiful. Share it freely, but notice those near you. Give the quiet ones space without making them feel wrong. Takeaway 2. If you are the quiet observer, your calm is a strength. Never apologize for it. Your indifference to noise is your nervous system protecting your most valuable resource. Takeaway 3. Stop judging passion levels. Loud is not more committed. Quiet is not less caring. The person crying silently at a film cares deeply. The screaming fan cares deeply. Different channels. Takeaway 4. Learn your own nervous system. When do you feel alive? When do you need rest? Honor those rhythms. Your brain is giving you data. Listen to it and trust it completely. Forcing yourself to perform excitement you do not feel is exhausting and inauthentic. Equally, shaming someone for excitement you do not understand is unkind and unnecessary. Takeaway 5. Awareness is the bridge. When you know why we differ, fear becomes curiosity. Curiosity becomes connection. Connection becomes the foundation of a healthier, kinder world. Every neural reaction tells a story. Even no reaction tells an equally important story. Our nervous systems are as unique as fingerprints. No two brains process reality identically. This diversity is not a bug in human design. It is the most important feature of our species. We needed quiet observers to map the stars. We needed passionate pioneers to sail toward them. Evolution did not create you by accident. Your sensitivity or your passion serves a purpose. The most resilient communities hold both the fire starters and the careful tenders of the flame. Next time you see someone screaming at a game, understand. Their brain just reached its home. And when someone slips away for quiet, understand. They are refueling, not rejecting you. True respect is not forcing others to match your volume. It is allowing their authentic frequency. Silence is a language. Learn to hear what it says, and you will understand people far more deeply. Life is too short to perform emotions that are not yours. Be authentic to your nervous system. Understanding yourself is the greatest adventure you will ever take in your entire lifetime. Understanding others is the greatest gift you can offer to this fragile and beautiful world. Whether your heart beats for a team or for a quiet book, your experience is deeply valid. Your dopamine storm is beautiful. Your quiet sanctuary is equally beautiful. Both are you. We are all connected by shared biology, even when our reactions seem worlds apart. Find your people. Even if your people is a quiet group of one in a peaceful library, celebrate the diversity of mind. It is our greatest collective strength as a species. Stay curious. Stay empathetic. Stay true to the person your nervous system was designed to be. If this video helped you feel understood, subscribe and continue this journey with us. Next, we explore why introverts often outperform in leadership. You will not want to miss it.